What's up, you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video, we are taking a look at ARM stock. So let's do that technical analysis and let's identify, is this thing, well, bullish or is it going to continue lower? We have been seeing from last couple of days that this thing has been trying to go up, but is the strength in match with other semiconductors? And also, not just that, does this structure makes it bullish? We'll talk about all of that in this video and we'll take a look at everything, guys. So let's get you ready for the next week. As for what I think with that price, if certain structure holds or break, what are those levels for that and how price may react to that. So with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes. You are solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes. All right. So ARM. Now, yes, we have been seeing this rebound come in on this. So you already know I talked about this whole flush that was about to come if we would have lost this blue box, the distribution box. We lost that, and I was calling out for $80. We got very close, 85 almost, right? And yeah, that was the move on this thing. Now, we have been seeing it has been going up from this last whole week, it just went up. And for the reasons that, like, I can just show you SMH, that's an ETF that tracks the semiconductors. And you can see SMH has been showing some good, strong rebound. But is SMH bullish itself or not? Like, we are still not out of that trend line yet on the resistance on it. But provided that this is an ETF, it's a derivative, but it just tells you the sentiment of the market. Don't too much focus on what SMH is doing all in all, because it has weight of all these semiconductors. For example, NVIDIA is showing some very bullish structures, all right? And AMD is a little bit looking rebounding. Broadcom is showing a lot of bullish structure. I'm going to talk about Broadcom and my position update as well in another video today. But is ARM strong enough in its own entirety? And to answer to that is, guys, no. This is still just a rebound. And why so? Well, because on the daily interval, we haven't really turned to the upside, on the swing at least. So what does that mean? Any rebound, guys, yeah, I know it may sound like, wow, Junior Trader, this rebound, $115 from $85. Yeah, technically that's a rebound, that's a possibility. And in this time frame, you can still trade intraday long, or a couple of 1 or 2 days of long trades based off of these pivots. But we will talk about that if those confirmations, what to be looking at for this coming week, if that's the play. So that play would be potentially, if it can break above 103.97 cents, there's a room it can come up to 20 days moving average. But that would be it. It's just still a rebound. All right. And that doesn't make it bullish. There's still more likelihood it continue lower, or then it's going to reject over here, in my opinion. So if you average cost down into it or whatever, and you are trying to get out, like, your best bet would be in this rebound to try to get out. But anyways, that was never the play though, because the play was the flush, right? So you should take partial profits out, if you took the play the right way. Now, this pivot that is forming, there's a pivot here. Junior Trader, there's a pivot here. Is this bullish? So intraday, let's go to the hourly interval. Let's talk about a couple of things. So we are still though bearish, guys, even on hourly interval. We are below 200 hours moving average. This rebound is mostly coming just because semiconductors all in all have been a little bit stronger, especially NVIDIA. Now the thing is that the pivot that we are forming, the next pivot, is not that strong compared to the last pivot day, right? It is there, but it's not that there, okay? Now I want to actually adjust something here on my indicator. And if you need access to my tools, guys, links are in the description below of this video. Okay, I'm gonna go high on this one. And here we go. Okay. So anytime if we lose this 50 or 20 hours moving average, it's gonna come lower to $95 again. And then I do expect this to eventually again come down to $85. To me, this is not a very strong rebound. It just looks like it's trying to go up with all other semiconductors, but then for the next pivot, you can see it's failing already, right? It's failing to make this higher pivot. You can see it's already slowing down here. In my opinion, ARM has a room next week to head lower, provided it doesn't break this level and the structure stays this way and it doesn't break above 103 and 70 cents. However, if it gets above 103 and 70 cents, rebound may continue, and then you are watching 200 hours moving average for a potential reaction. But yeah, it then sets it up to 115. But right now, am I seeing that happening? No. I still think this rebound is very weak. And even to show you on 4 hours, this is the zone, 103 and 84 cents. If we can't get out of it, this rebound is just until here, and then we will head again lower. If we can get above $103, you can expect some more upside to come to the next significant level, that is $115 on ARM, okay? Now, is there anything else on this that we need to be watching? No. I do want to show you the 5 minutes interval, because just to put things in perspective, why I'm saying that this rebound is not that strong, and for the reasons that, guys, you can see that it is failing to break these levels. Yes, it's trying to go up, but look at this dip, and then a rebound came, but that rebound is not strong enough to push it higher, right? It's still very weak, okay? In my opinion, it's not bullish here. Yeah, so you have the levels to watch though, right? There is a rebound potential above 103. If it breaks that level, you can have 200 hours moving average or 20 days moving average reactions point, and then eventually 150 will get there. However, as I said, if we lose those levels, 20 and 50 hours moving average that I showed you on hourly interval, right, you can then expect it to come down to the level of $95.43. This is your 20 and 50 moving average, and $95 will come to that, and once we lose that as well, then again we are coming down to $85. Do I expect anything below $85? Yeah, technically $80 is still a possibility. I mean, it's not bullish, guys, just so you know, it's in the downtrend. It just may take a while to continue lower. This is just a rebound coming in the downtrend, at least in the technicals right now, unless price structure changes again, right? We'll talk about that when that happens. Okay, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.